Introducing Hello Velcro, the detachable hem.
Hems can cost us $50 each, and they're permanent. We need something new, detachable, and affordable. So now we have Hello Velcro.
So sweet, little girls double dutch on the concrete.
For $4.99 or $9.99 for the jumbo pack. Hello Velcro is reusable and out of sight. Hello Velcro is durable and machine washable.
Ideal for clothes at school and the office. Or for going out at night.
It gives you the freedom to adjust your clothes and make them even more you. You can get all 3 fabulous colors in our jumbo variety pack. It's a great gift!
Long or short, day and night, this new hairline is out of sight.
Day and night, I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain what I need for keeps this silly game we play.